friends, welcome to my channel. This is the third part of previous year question paper discussion of SSC Junior Engineer Civil 2014. The first 20 questions are discussed in the previous videos and the link is given in the description box. 21st question. The multiplying constant for the tachymeter is generally kept as options A 100, B 20, C 40, D 60. The multiplying constant for the tachymeter is option A 100. 100 is the correct answer. 22. Question number 22. The fundamental principles of surveying is to work from the dash. Options A whole to part, B part to whole, C lower level to higher level, option D higher level to lower level. Fundamental principle of surveying is to work from the whole to part. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 23. Radiation, intersection and resection are options A compass surveying techniques, B chain surveying techniques, C leveling techniques, D plane table surveying techniques. Radiation, intersection and resection are plane table surveying techniques. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 24. Which of the following statements in respect of a map A having scale 1:1000 and another map B having scale 1:5000 is true? Options. Map A is large scale map as compared to map B. Option B. Map B is large scale map as compared to map A. Option C. Map B is a more detailed map as compared to map A. Option D. None of the above. Map A having scale 1:1000 and map B having 1:5000 scale. So map A is large scale map as compared to map B. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 25. The correction to be applied to each 30-meter chain for a line measurements along slope of theta is options A 30 into 1 minus cos theta, option B 30 into 1 minus sin theta, option C 30 into 1 minus tan theta, option D 30 into 1 minus cot theta. The correction to be applied to each 30-meter chain for a line measurements along a slope of theta is 30 into 1 minus cos theta. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 26. Narrowly spaced contour lines on a map shows that the area options A flat, B steeply sloped, C vertical cliff, D overhanging cliff. Narrowly spaced contour shows steeply sloped area. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 27. The length of the tangent of a curve whole radius is r and the angle of deflection is delta. Length of tangent is options A r tan delta by 2, option B 2r sin delta by 2, option C 2r tan delta by 2, option D r sin delta by 2. Length of a tangent of curve is r tan delta by 2. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 28. If whole circle bearing of a line is 210 degree 0 minutes 0 second, its value in quadrennial bearing system is options south 30 degree west, north 30 degree east, option C south 30 degree east, option D north 30 degrees north 30 degree west. The line is in third quadrant, so southwest. Reduced bearing is find out by 210 minus 180 degree, that's 30 degree. So reduced bearing is south 30 degree west. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 29. The magnetic declination is the difference between options true meridian and false meridian. Option B, false meridian and true meridian. Option C, true meridian and magnetic meridian. Option D, magnetic meridian and false meridian. Magnetic declination is the difference between true meridian and magnetic meridian. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 30. A staff reading taken on a point whose elevation is to determined as a change point is called options A, foresight reading, B, backside reading, C, intermediate sight reading, D, long sight. Staff reading taken on a point whose elevation is to be determined as a change point is called foresight reading. Option A is the correct answer. For more videos, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.